How many pages do you sign in a day?
Lordship. Lordship.
You as a lawyer, how many pages do you sign
Lordship,
in a day?
in that case.
4 or 5?
Yes,
as
Lordship.
a lawyer?
Lordship.
We sign over 200. And if you compare all, my
Lordship,
signatures will
I'm
differ
ready
on
to-
each page.
I'm ready to explain you, Lordship. I'm ready to tell you how this is forged. दोनों आरोप पत्र पर न्यायाधीश महोदय के हस्ताक्षर नहीं होने के कारण उसकी प्रतियां तथा नहीं दी जा रही है.
Please read the definition of forgery. An unsigned document is not a forgery.
अधिवक्ता is harassing. It is amounting to allegations against me, Your Lordship. Safety of my life, Your Lordship. I told you
That's
that
right. So
recently in
have you made
January
a complaint to the
26,
police?
they are discussing that she'll run away. There is allegations of forgery of the magistrate court judge.
Allegations of?
Forging the order sheet of the magistrate court judge Colonel Shyam Singh. He has passed an order of charge on 14
Whose forged signatures?
of the judge. The order sheet did not bear the signature of the judge. The order was there that the charges have been framed. There was no signature of the judge. And you see subsequent order sheet, Your Lordship. Lordship may go to page number 41.
How do you substantiate these submissions?
Lordship, I'm giving you the order sheet copy, Your
Which
Lordship.
page?
Page number 41, Your Lordship. Annexure 1.
P1.
Annexure 1.
Which page doesn't bear the signatures of the judge?
Lordship, now here there is a forgery on, if you see 41, page number 41, dated 1741,
Yes.
17th February 2025.
Yes.
Lordship, it is mentioning about the charges framed by the court on that date, and you see the signature of, Lordship may see the signature of Colonel Singh Shyam here, and you see, Lordship may see the signature of Colonel Singh Shyam in the previous date, which is, I think it's 9th of December 2024. We'll
no,
see the
13th March it says for Colonel Singh Shyam. Who's
no, but the previous order.
reader?
Previous one is same.
No, Lordship. No, it's so different, Your Lordship. You see the signature
Yes,
there
Bharti,
and here.
How many pages do you sign in a day?
Lordship.
You as a
Lordship.
You as a lawyer, how many pages do you sign
Lordship,
in a day?
in that case, Lordship
Miss
may see
Bharti,
45, page
Miss
number
Bharti,
45.
Miss Bharti,
Yes, Lordship.
how many pages do you sign in a day? Tell us. Roughly how many in a day?
Lordship, I have evidence that this has been
Please,
forged, Your
we
Lordship.
are asking you a question. Roughly how many do you sign in a day? 4 or 5?
Yes,
as
Your
a
Lordship.
lawyer?
Lordship.
We sign over 200. And if you compare all, my
Lordship,
signatures will
I'm
differ
ready
on
to-
each page.
I'm ready to explain, Your Lordship. I'm ready to tell you how this is forged. Lordship will see page number 45, Your Lordship. This was a certified copy of the order sheet I have asked to the certifying counter. Lordship,
Yes.
this is, you see page number 46 in the back of that certified copy.
Yes.
They say दोनों आरोप पत्र पर न्यायाधीश महोदय के हस्ताक्षर नहीं होने के कारण उसकी प्रतियां तथा नहीं दी जा रही है. This is what it says, and I have asked the complete order sheet, and I have asked for charge framed by the court. This is a clear indication.
What is the stage of the proceedings?
Lordship, even after
Today, what is the stage of the proceedings?
I'm just explaining, Your Lordship.
What is the stage of the proceedings now?
Lordship, if you see page number 43, it says
No, tell us
आरोप
what is the stage?
आरोप तर्क के लिए तर्क हेतु नियत.
Then क्या फर्क? आपको
नहीं
क्या
क्या
prejudice?
फर्क पड़ता है Lordship, their
नहीं,
intention,
आपको क्या prejudice
their
है?
inte-
How are
their
you
intention,
prejudiced?
How are you
their
prejudiced?
intention is to, Lordship, you know when this was done? This was done exactly when I got a stay in the High Court and 482 application on mid-September.
Tell us one thing.
Mid-September.
Your allegation is that the charges which were framed by,
By
the
the
judge
court.
were not signed by the
When
judge. Not signed.
ideally, therefore, the
One
next
second.
order sheet
One
says,
second.
Lordship,
If the charges are not signed,
Framed.
it's an irregularity.
Lordship,
Normally, CPC says, this is not CPC won't apply, CRPC. CPC says if a judgment is available on the record but not signed,
Lordship.
the successor judge can come and sign it. But that doesn't apply in CRPC. So successor judge can't sign on the charges which are already framed.
Lordship,
There are two consequences.
Lordship.
The accused should be acquitted because charges framed not signed, so they are discharged. That
That is
can't
not
happen.
that my
That can't
intention.
happen.
That is not my intention.
So the new judge has to again hear the matter on charge
Right,
and frame charges.
Lordship.
What is it listed now for?
It is listed for
Listed for this purpose?
for the same purpose.
For this
So,
purpose? So
Lordship,
tell us, let's assume for some reason or the other the judge could not sign the charges. We can't read those charges because we don't know what he prepared. Today if you have a blank, if you have a sheet of paper containing charges but not signed by the judge, nobody can authenticate that this is what he had framed, right?
Lordship.
So we can't use that piece of paper.
Lordship,
So what is the
Because
solution?
it
You don't
was
need to
without
say because we are
Lordship,
accepting
Lordship,
that argument.
because it was not signed from February till September when I got the stay in the
All right,
482
so
application.
what is
Their
the-
intention.
Ms.
So their
Bharti,
intention.
Please tell us, are you the accused?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, you are the accused?
Yes, Your Lordship, along with my
Charges are framed against you?
Lordship.
Now, if the court again hears the matter and frames charges,
Lordship.
if you are aggrieved by the charges, you will have your remedy in law.
Lordship, that is not the issue. Is their intention is I don't get relief in 482 under the ground that the charges are framed. Therefore, you will not be allowed the relief of 482. You have to face, and Your Lordship, my personal and professional life, I have not done anything wrong.
Bharti, please
Just
don't-
because this
one
person,
second, Ms. Bharti.
Lordship,
Please don't link both of them at the moment. You are pointing out an irregularity which has happened in the judicial record.
Lordship.
Please tell us what is the solution to correct it. Tell us, how does this error get rectified?
Lordship,
Error gets rectified by the, now the judge has changed.
Lordship.
So, by the successor judge, hearing again on charge, successor judge can discharge you or frame the charges. Those will be
Lordship,
what will
in
be
that
there.
case, it should have remained unsigned. How it is,
Can you
I
tell
have
us-
seen the file.
Can you be tried on the basis of an unsigned charges?
No, Lordship, that is not my intention.
what
My
is-
intention is to tell that this was forged with the intention that I don't get relief in 482.
Forgery is something different. Here, it is irregularity because the order sheet is not signed. Charges
Then it
are
was
not
not signed from February to September. I have seen the file.
So please tell us what is the solution now?
The solution is their intention, Your Lordship, their malified
Intent-
intention to
Ms.
ensure
Ms.
first
Bharti.
file a
Ms.
malicious
Bharti, please tell us
prosecution.
one thing. All right,
Lordship.
let's assume for the sake of appreciating your argument,
Lordship.
they had a malified intention.
Very clear, sir, Your
Let's,
Lordship.
not clear, we are assuming it, we are not accepting it. But we are only assuming to test your argument.
Lordship.
Let's assume there is a malified intention. You have brought it to the notice of the High Court now that there was this malified intention.
Lordship.
What is the solution now?
Let there be an inquiry, Your Lordship. This is what I'm
Inquiry
asking.
into what?
Inquiry on how he is having access to the court file and when the signature was not there from
Insofar as the
February
case-
to
insofar as
February
the
to
case is concerned,
specifically this was forged only in February, September to
forged.
October when I got the stay.
please read the definition of forgery. An unsigned document is not a forgery. A document is a forgery.
So they have signed, Your Lordship, now.
Who signed it?
The signature here is a forged document. It's not done by the judge. Judge's normal signature will see, Lordship may see in page number 41, the normal signature is different to the one which is signed on. Their only intention is she does not get relief in 482 on the ground of charge.
Charges are still not signed.
No, Your Lordship. Proceedings are now stayed in because of the High Court order stating that matter will be heard on the stay application. So therefore it is stayed right now.
What is the basis of making this allegation that these proceedings are forged? What is your basis?
Lordship, first thing, he is an advocate. They are a group of land grabbing advocates. Throughout their life, they have done
So
only
there
land
should be a
grabbing.
presumption.
No, I'm telling you. Because of that, they will have a past
What is the
precedence.
basis
There
of
is a
the-
Bar Council of India warning against them already. They have already troubled somebody.
What is the basis on which, what is the material to show that these are the forged signatures?
Lordship, when the order sheet was blank, from February
Where is
till
the copy-
September, till
where
the
is
time I
copy of
got,
blank order
till
sheet?
the time,
Where is the copy of blank order sheet?
I will submit it in the next hearing, Your Lordship. I can prove. I have a certified copy. They are doing this because I'm from outside. I'm not a local advocate.
What is the next date before the court?
Lordship, 8th of February, in High Court, 482.
No, in these proceedings.
In this
What is the next
case, I
date?
think 4th of April, Your Lordship.
4th of?
Lordship, I don't remember the date.
What is the date? Trial court में date कौन सी है?
But since there is stay there,
Proceedings are stayed.
Proceedings are stayed.
Lordship.
All right. Learned counsel, the petitioner who appears in person submits that there has been tampering with the judicial record inasmuch as the charges which were framed do not bear the signatures of the judicial officer. Stop. For better appreciating the submission of the petitioner, it would be appropriate to, we deem it expedient to summon the original record from the court. Accordingly, the registry is directed to requisition the original record of court proceedings.
CT 11791.
RCT number 11791 of 2023 pending in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class, Bhopal.
Through a special messenger, the original record be transmitted to the court
Lordship, grateful.
on the next date of hearing. When should we have it?
Lordship, on 7th, I have the next hearing here on 8th, so 7th of April, Your Lordship.
7th April.
Lordship, this is for writ petition 1899. Your Lordship, there was an incident in,
What is there in the other one?
There's one more connected matter,
तो
Your
उसमें
Lordship,
फिर वो
the
काउंसिल फॉर
3919.
पिटिशनर नहीं होगा. She is the petitioner in 39197.
Lordship, I'm also a party in that.
There also.
हाँ, I'm a party there also, Your Lordship.
Petitioner number 2. चलो.
Because
What are you seeking here?
Lordship-
In respect of the same proceedings?
Lordship, हाँ, Lordship, I have filed an IA on 14th February 26. There was an incident on 10th February 2026 in the court hall of the Magistrate Court, 1 Himlata
And
Ayra.
what is the
Lordship-
direction you're seeking?
Lordship, I'm wanting the CCTV footage of entire day in the court because behind, in my absence, Your Lordship, the witness evidences were taken by the court. And
What does the order sheet? There is no evidence to be brought in. What does the order sheet show?
Lordship, I had filed an IA, I filed the RTI stating that I want the CCTV footage of that court, and there was a person
No, no,
unknown.
you see, it's
There was
CCTV
also, Lordship, there was also an unknown person in the ground floor who was staring at me with vengeance on the same day when this entire incident happened, and I was in the entrance of the court hall, and he's just standing before, and I was walking like this, and he's constantly staring me from here to there, and I was on a call, and I was just seeing.
Did he make any contact with you?
No, he didn't, but he was
Then-
constantly staring with vengeance. But these things are happening constantly with me. In High Court also, this happened in 2023, Your Lordship, when I was, and you see petition 22-320. 3 judges have ordered in my
No, so
favor.
what are you seeking in this?
Lordship, here I want, in this IA, I want the CCTV footage because they are saying in the RTI, they've rejected my RTI stating that Pradyumna
No, CCTV footage
they are-
is not to be provided to anybody.
without High Court permission. So I want the CCTV footage
CCTV
to prove
footage, you
to
see,
prove that
Ms.
there was a
Bharti.
bias by the
No, where is the question of bias?
Lordship.
Ms. Bharti, please understand one thing.
Lordship.
You see, during court proceedings,
Lordship, she's saying God will punish me. The judge is telling in the court hall that the God will punish me for prosecuting land grabbers in the court in UNCR 161, and she's telling hostile witness Kalavati and Harvati
Ms. Bharti,
that don't worry,
if-
you will be
if
protected.
we
They are
don't
telling
know,
you please
Ms.
dismiss.
Bharti,
Lordship,
we don't know what is the...
I can prove this with the
One
CCTV
second.
footage.
We don't know what is the truth in your allegation.
Lordship.
But do you
I
think
can
God
prove-
will listen to persons like this?
No, Lordship.
Then why
Their
are you
courts are running
concerned?
on the basis of God's blessings and God's.
Then why are you
curse.
concerned?
No,
Please
Lordship,
tell
I
us
can
in
prove
this
this.
pet-
I
in
can
this
prove.
What in this petition, what is it you are seeking?
Lordship, not in this petition alone. I'm just
One,
talking about
one petition, we've summoned the record.
Lordship.
In the other, what are you seeking? CCTV footage can't be provided because CCTV footage records several proceedings of other cases
Lordship,
which is
then-
confidential. We can't
Lordship,
share.
then I'll give you specific timings of the
We
day
will,
when I was.
if it is available, we'll call for it. If there is something, substance
Lordship,
in what you are saying.
RTI, if I have filed, they are supposed to secure and keep the.
What is
they
the-
just need High Court order
what is
to
the
give. Allegation is that the court is biased. She's made up her mind that she's going to
Judges
dismiss.
changed or still the same?
This case is a different case, Your Lordship. This is not that.
No, that in
case was
this
different.
case, is the judge still the same or judges
She's
changed?
still the same, and I have even requested to transfer this case to the CJM court. Prayer number 3, Your Lordship.
Have you filed any transfer application?
Lordship, I'm asking in this writ petition, Your
No, you
Lordship.
can't ask in an application. There's a section 24 application.
Application before CJM first.
Lordship.
File an appropriate application.
Because CJM can transfer.
Lordship, when I'm having such grave allegations that the judge is biased and she's passing such comments and she's recording something which the witness is not told, she's
Remedy is available, but we are filing the transfer application.
is also available, but I also have because
Not in this writ petition, because you may file the transfer application before CJM.
Lordship,
Section was 410,
Lordship.
and thereafter you will file the transfer application before sessions judge, and
Lordship, because there was
being dissatisfied.
Same
you
Judge
may file the
Hemlata.
transfer application before High Court, but not as a writ.
Lordship. The same Judge Hemlata Ahirwar, I had gone to CJM court asking for a transfer petition in UNCR 1656. That was a matter of forgery. I had asked CJM court, Chief Judicial Magistrate Court mentioned that, there is no need for. I mentioned if the Chief Judicial Magistrate does not hear the matter, the case will be dismissed
If you are
in favor of the advocate's intention.
by CJM,
Lordship.
you are having a remedy
That was.
now.
That
You can't directly.
that was a different case, Your Lordship. That was a different case. This is a different case.
You can't
I'm
directly jump to the High Court.
Lordship, because I'm having this
No, because
writ petition stating that there is bias.
statutory provisions are there.
Lordship, because I have come here, interference in administration of justice. So when there is abuse of process of court, contempt of court, Your Lordship.
Powers, there are the powers with the CJI.
At least I get the CCTV footage, I can prove my
Ms. Bharti, please tell us
allegations.
what transpired that you say is
Lordship, I did not harass the
we are not asking that.
witness. That day the judge is saying that, constantly the advocate is harassing me, constantly
Where is
asking
that
me
order
questions.
sheet? Where is that order sheet?
I will bring that order
Here
sheet.
you made Bar Council as a party. How is Bar Council concerned with all this?
Lordship, this case is just not about this IA which I am talking about, Your Lordship. This case is about the
Wait, what is
advocates.
the case about? IA can't be beyond the case.
IA is one part of, it's just about one
So
case.
what is
but
the case about?
The case, Lordship, is about the advocates who are trying to harass me and who are not allowing, who's doing interference in administration of justice. And Lordship told me that, if I'm able to bring evidences as to how they are interfering in administration of justice, Your Lordship, Lordship, and threat to life. Lordship, I was just preparing the same thing, Your Lordship. I was preparing an IA and I have all evidences. I was just taking photocopies to ensure that I file it
whatever
before.
you want to file.
Your Lordship. But Lordship, I just want CCTV footage to be given so I can prove that, the judge is saying that he became a sadhu. Why does he want property? And her sister in the court hall is telling, what will he do with so much of property? This is
Dispute
recorded.
is between family members.
Yes, Your Lordship, between siblings.
It's a civil dispute.
No, but there's a land grabbing act done by his elder brother in which the sisters have come only to give their witness.
No, but then how do you maintain a petition in your own name? Are you a party in those proceedings?
Lordship, because she's putting allegations on me that the judge is writing in the statement that I have not troubled anybody.
Ms.
She's
Bharti, one is an issue arising out of list between two private individuals.
Lordship,
This is a petition filed by an advocate, not in a personal capacity,
because it is affecting.
but as an advocate who was representing a litigant.
Lordship,
The scope of transfer, etc. of those proceedings will be raised by the parties there.
Lordship,
You can't, as an advocate, seek transfer of a case of your client. You show us in this case what is your concern
Lordship,
and what
threat
is
to
your
life.
issue.
To life. I have filed 2 complaints to DGP office on 2nd of March before
Alleging what?
alleging that one Jamna Prasad, respondent 3, as in the month of January when I was in Bangalore, was discussing that this advocate is the cause of the entire property litigation. Otherwise, we would have won this case. And she's pure Chamaran, because of her, she's only writing. My brother is not doing anything, and I don't know what to do. That he was talking like this to one person by name Saurabh.
What complaint?
Lordship, and they are discussing that we should circulate her number to multiple builders, like 10-15 builders, call her to the village through the builders to show the land. My client has some land without undisputed land. Call her there and then usko उलझाओ, उसके ऊपर मारपीट करो या उसको कीचातानी करो, and so that she leaves the case and runs away from Bhopal.
Where is that complaint?
Lordship, that's what I was trying to take photocopies and bring it before Your Lordship for the argument. So that's the reason I was not in the court hall, Your Lordship. And probably on 7th when I'm there, before that I will file and Your Lordship can see. But I have the photocopy in case Your Lordship wants to see.
No,
at
but
least
you see, there has to be.
these things are.
Problem is you got emotionally attached to your client and the case.
Lordship,
That is why you're losing that sort of objectiveness.
Lordship,
As a counsel, other petition, of course, you pointed out, we've summoned the record.
Lordship,
Here there are 2 issues. One is what is happening to the legal proceedings. For that, in the name of your client, whatever proceedings you need to initiate.
Lordship.
If you as a counsel are being harassed, threatened,
Yes, Your Lordship, that is the complaint.
separate remedy, separate
police.
procedure. When you talk of this aspect, you bring in that aspect. That is why we mentioned that you're probably getting emotionally connected with
Not
the
at
matter.
all, Your Lordship, because I
In
was
case-
falsely
in case-
prosecuted in this
Ms.
case.
Bharti,
Yes, Your
in
Lordship.
case as a counsel
Lordship,
and an advocate, you are being prevented from discharging your duties,
Lordship,
please mention it differently, separately, action will be taken.
Lordship.
If there is anything.
Then these
Insofar as your litigant client
these
is
allegations,
concerned,
these
litigant client is concerned, separate proceedings, separate remedy, objectively separate both and address it and we'll deal it accordingly.
Lordship, even the villagers are telling me you leave because here even for 10,000, 15,000 they are ready to kill anybody. And these people will
Please
hire
don't make, Bharti, please don't
respondent
make
13
general,
himself.
please don't make general observations because
he's
everything
come to
here
the
is,
court and-
Ms. Bharti, everything here is live streamed.
Lordship,
Please don't make general observations unless you are able to substantiate.
Lordship.
File, we will adjourn this matter to the date. Whatever you need to do, separate both the issues Bring them and we'll deal with them separately. We will not accept any counsel being harassed,
Lordship.
irrespective of gender, in the court if the
Irrespective of-
counsel wants to discharge the duties to represent a client.
Lordship.
That we will not accept. Please separate
is happening
both,
to me, Your Lordship.
separate emotions and the facts.
No, I am not, Your Lordship. I am not at all connected, Your
You
Lordship.
see, your entire argument in this petition was transfer, which has got
Not
nothing
entire.
to...
My intention was also biased. She's trying to put allegations on me that I'm troubling the Sakshigan. I'm not doing anything of that sort.
is-
I told I will
again,
take the CCTV
that
footage,
goes-
write whatever you
Well,
want.
Bharti, that goes to the, that is connected with the factual matrix of your client's case. Please
Lordship, but she's
separate
putting
that.
Adhivakta is harassing. It is amounting to allegations against me, Your Lordship. I told Madam, you write whatever you want. I'm going to take CCTV
So
footage.
then, the relief that you are seeking, you are impleading the Bar Council. What has the judge got to do with Bar Council?
Lordship,
National Human Rights Commission.
Lordship, I'm going to give you
That's
the...
why we are saying, please-
I'll give the complaint to Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh.
We are not,
and
you may
bring it
do,
before
you may do what you
Lordship.
seem is appropriate.
Lordship.
Before
And bring
us-
it before the court.
Before us, please separate
But I have-
the two issues and bring them on the 7th. We'll deal with them.
Lordship, may at least order for the CCTV footage. Your Lordship, they are not
We
going
can't
to give...
supply CCTV footage to you because during the day, several proceedings of confidential nature take place before court. CCTV footage can't be
Then
supplied
how
to
do I
everyone.
prove that, these advocates have
If
gone
you-
behind me
If
and
you are
got the...
able to substantiate something before us and CCTV footage is available, we can always view it. We can't supply a copy.
Lordship, in that case, the court may record me my submissions that I was there, I think 12 o'clock, I finished one witness evidence and I left the court. Till then, nobody had come. I signed the next date of hearing. I wrote the date, I checked with the judge. After that, after 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, whatever transpired, Your Lordship, may see the footage and
On what date?
on 10th of February 2026. And
एक
the
अलग से नोट कर लेना 10th February 20 इसमें ऑर्डर शीट में नहीं 10th February 2026 12 to 3 p.m.
12.
ये उनसे वेरीफाई करवाइएगा whether CCTV footage is available or not.
It is available. They are just telling that, because without the High Court order, they cannot supply the CCTV footage, Your Lordship.
Let us first see. Just check up whether है कि नहीं.
Lordship, because she's putting personal allegations on me, which I have not done.
Anyways, when you address your arguments,
Lordship.
we first want to ascertain whether it is there or not. If
It
it's
is
there,
Therefore, they are saying
we
that
don't-
without High Court order,
you
we
see,
cannot.
we don't know.
Lordship, I have this. This is the photocopy. I was
anyways, if it is not, then we'll see. You address your arguments on the next date, separating both the issues. Then we'll consider what to do with the CCTV footage, whether we need to see it, show it to you, whatever. We'll
Lordship, can I give you the complaint that I have given on 2nd of March to DGP?
don't give it to us across the file it properly,
Lordship.
and please separate both the issues.
Rather, it is better to file a fresh petition instead of mixing all these issues in this petition.
Lordship, this is concerning only my safety and security. My parents are worried. They are worried.
File a separate petition, withdraw it, file proper.
No, I do not want to withdraw this, Lordship. I am
am
giving you all the written arguments. I was sitting and doing the same work today, Your Lordship. That's the reason I was not before Your Lordship when the case was called.
Now, please see, you are saying no,
Lordship.
these are not interconnected. See, read your prayers
Lordship.
in the petition, main petition. Prayer A pertains to intimidating or taking action against an advocate. Prayer B is not protecting the right of petitioner and her client from 6 criminal siblings, contempt of High Court order. Prayer C, directing respondents to maintain so-and-so, sign a bond of peace, intimating harass both petitioner and her client outside the court, breach of peace directly through other petitioners and her client so-and-so.
They provoke.
Till all civil criminal cases are decided. Again, you are mixing both the issues. You see,
Because
as
Your Lordship, I am the one who's standing for my
Ms. Bharti, you are saying you're not personally connected with the case.
Lordship.
You're only representing your client.
Lordship.
If you are being prevented from discharging your professional duties,
Lordship.
remedy is completely separate. If your client is being pressurized by one party or the other by unlawful means, of course, he will have his remedies in criminal
Lordship.
law. By a lawful means,
Even
he'll have a civil remedy. You've mixed
Your
both.
Lordship, even if I cut off the name petitioner's client Krishnadas, I am
Please
still
see prayer
available
D,
in this. Your
Club list MCRC so-and-so along with this writ petition, convert 482. Again, these are personal to your client.
Lordship, I am personally named as accused in this, Lordship. That is the whole reason.
Anyways, see what you need to do. We'll have it on the
Lordship,
order
CCTV
complete हो
footage,
गया?
Lordship, 2 lines of
लिखा है?
order may be
कुछ
passed.
नहीं लिखा है इसमें. Learned counsel for the petitioner prays for an adjournment. Or the petitioner appears in person, submits that she needs to file certain place for an adjournment to file additional documents and application at request list on 7th.
Lordship, on the CCTV footage, Your Lordship, between
We are
12
not
to...
passing any order. First, we are ascertaining whether it's there or not. Once we hear you, then we'll make up a mind whether we need to see it, not see it. If we want to see it, we want to show it to you, you'll have to satisfy us that it is required.
I'm telling you, she's making allegations
If he's
against
saying
me.
so, he'll say no. So you have to satisfy us, you'll have to show us the order sheet, etc., where all this is recorded, then we'll hear it. But first, please separate both and then bring it up.
Lordship, I have separated. It's just that, in the initial thing, it was petitioner and her client, Krishnadas. But even if you remove that, I'm giving all allegations against me only, Your
You see,
Lordship.
but then this is not a petition in which the manner in which you frame this petition is not what will not achieve the purpose that you want.
Lordship.
You want impartial opportunity to represent your client.
Lordship.
This is not how
That
it is
and
done.
safety of my life, Your Lordship. I told you
That's
that
right. So
recently in
have you made
January
a complaint to the
26,
police?
they are discussing that, she'll run away, call her through somebody else, distribute her number to multiple people. These things have been told. I have called recording of the villager who was sitting there when these two people responded.
You see, all that is not coming out from your petition because
No, this has happened now. My petition was filed last year, Your
then
Lordship.
file whatever you need to
I have
file.
filed a complaint to the DGP and I will give you that complaint copy. At least a report may be
Do
sought in
that, we'll
those.
have it on the 7th.
Lordship, great.
That's all.